Good evening. Right now it's about 5:49 p.m. and today is 28th of December 2020. Right, year is about to end. I was just wishing, that let's have some huge resolutions for the upcoming year. Dr. Seema Jain, I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst and I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Asta Trade. I'm also chief mentor and founder of StockPro. So see here, I just thought, before the year end, let's just make some huge resolutions, right? 4 more days are left in the year 2020 and the year 2021 will start within few days. So I just want to ask you to ask yourself these questions. Do you want to correct your trading discipline? Do you want to fix your bad habits of over trading? Do you want to overcome your anxieties and fears in stock market? Do you want to create a parallel income source for the rest of your life, or a passive income source for the rest of your life? Do you want to learn stock market in year 2021 from the scratch to advanced level trader, right? And to be very honest, please remember that when you are new to the market, losing several thousands, several crores, several lakhs, several crores is very easy, right? Whereas just spending small amount in your learning and going in a systematic way will create huge value in your life. So if you suffer from any of it, if you do not have the correct trading discipline, you have habit of over trading, you have anxieties and fears and doubts in the market, you don't have a parallel income, a passive income, it could be by buying the stocks or by selling the options or by whichever way, or do you want to learn about the stock market and become a trader in the market, then you please look for it and do some understanding about the market. So before I proceed on, like if you are present on my Twitter account, when in the live market I gave that blue dot buy above 4,000, right, for a target of these, and it straight away gave, today itself it gave good points, like here if you just have a look, I have given a buy and it made a high of, blue dart made a high of 4,100, right? This is the move stock has given, right? This move stock has given. So this is the accuracy, like you take even 100 shares and 100 points move, it's straight away 10,000 rupees, right? I'm sure a lot of intraday, I don't think so Zerodha allowed intraday, but a lot of trades, a lot of other platforms do allow it. So anyway, I just want to begin my today's trading ideas. Before I go on to that, I just want to check what's happening in Nifty. Let me take you to the Nifty's option chain, right? If you see, there has been today itself about 11,41,000 contracts have been written on the call side in Nifty, right? That means they've kind of tried to create a barrier at 13,900. But even if you look at it, 14,000 is a good, barrier for Nifty. 447, like 65,000 contracts are open here, and today 7 or 8 lakh contracts have been added up. Whereas if you look at the downside, 13,800 looks like a very huge support. And have a look at Nifty, how's Nifty performing. It has broken all the barriers, right? This barrier, which was a very strong barrier, but why? Because Nifty returned or experienced this barrier 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Today, it, by opening itself, it broke that barrier, right? Open gap up and then continued without looking back. It continued to move in the upward direction. So I have a few stocks for you for tomorrow. The first stock that I have for you is Divis Laboratory, right? This is how does, and 3 stocks in cash. So this is how the Divis is looking, right? This is how Divis is looking. And if you have a look at it, RSI is shifting in the upward direction, right? You can have a look from, from here itself, this, and this, right? On the verge of crossing 60. and buy above this place, right, which is right here. I'll tell you what's the value. Buy above 3780, right? Buy above 3780, right at this place we can buy. 3782 or 3784 is where we can buy. Our stop loss is going to be this 3736, and our target will be, intraday target will be at least 3800, 3850, and so on and so forth. So this is my first stock, which is 𝐷𝐿 Laboratory. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is 𝐈𝐵L Housing. Look at how it has crossed 60 today. The RSI crossed 60, and once again RSI is looking very, very promising to me. Just have a look at RSI, right? Shifting in the positive direction, right? And at the same time, if you have a look at it, the price is also looking pretty strong. If you see, this is the place, right? This was a place which it actually closed voluminously. If it goes above this, I'm expecting a target of 230 by tomorrow or the day after, right? So I'm expecting a target of 230 by tomorrow or the day after, in case market supports the trade. HDFC, right? This is also looking extremely positive to me. And the reason for that is, just have a look at this place. The RSI is taking support, and if you see RSI shifting in the upper direction, right? Let me just make it more clearer for you. So from here, if I take a trend line and just draw it, just see here, this is how RSI is shifting in the upper direction, right? So price has given a breakout. As far as the price is concerned, price has given a breakout, not today, but on Friday itself, and yet today it looks pretty much good to me. But our buying opportunity will come above 2490, right? And what will be our first target? At least 10-15 points will be our first target, right? And if it crosses that, and it's going to be at the lifetime high, I'm expecting at least a target of 2550 tomorrow itself, in case it crosses its lifetime high with good volumes. So another few cash stocks that I have on my radar. So I traded in one cash stock today. I traded in Star, right? As I gave it, Star, and this is my option. I've sold this option, so this is my option trade. But Star, I want to show you how Star moved today massively, right? It was a massive move in the Star. From here it almost went up till this point, right, which is 918. So yeah, so then I have this stock called ISEC, right? ICICI Securities. So what is my reason for giving it? Is basically it has broken the trend, and whenever the trend is broken, please remember that there has been huge buying that has come into the stock, right? Somebody has reversed the direction and the buying has come into it. So above what place are we going to buy? 460 is our buy place. We'll be buying at 460, and our target will be 465, 470, 475, 480. These are going to be my immediate targets. Then one very, very promising stock, I have given this as Diwali stock. It has given a good move. Again, it is on my radar, and today it had a huge buying. Once again, my same popular question: what do you think is the amount of buying in this happened? And somebody has answered several crores. Yes, it is almost like several crores. Here in this doji, about 35-40 crores have been transacted in this doji, right? So my buying will come above 530, and our stop loss will be about 520, and our targets are going to be 540 and 550 and 560. Those are going to be my positional targets. Then Engineers India is again another stock. It's on my radar for quite many days, and today again it has formed a doji. Doji means there is a fight going on between bulls and the bears. The price is slowly shifting in the upper direction. RSI is going above 60. The price is slowly shifting in the upper direction. RSI is going above 60. It looks a good stock to me, and the first target is going to be for 1 point only. But once it crosses 70, 80, it is just going to give you a target of 84 or 85, right? this is going to be a positional stock, right? So in case you're looking for buying these three stocks, ISEC, CDL, Engineers India, these are my cash positional stocks, right? And these three could be intraday as well as positional. So Divis, IBUL Housing, HDFC could be positional as well as intraday. If the intraday breakout comes, you can go for a buy. Divis, IBUL Housing, HDFC, and these ISEC, CDL, CDSL, and Engineers India are my positional stocks. So guys, be present on my Telegram channel, be present on my Twitter handle. This is my Telegram channel. What are the stocks that I have given for a buy? Tata Motor DVR have given buy at 76.75, right? So please remember guys that every time your stop loss hits, see it made a high of 77.6. So if I just make it a shorter time frame, see here, how the stock moved. I have given a buy somewhere here. यहीं पे buy दिया था. 76.5 means it's morning range breakout. I've given a buy, and it has given a good move of 1 point. You know, in the penny stocks and small tiny stocks, 1 point is also huge. What is most important is that your stop loss should not hit, right? So that is why you should be present here. Even, you know, like if just have a look at it, Tata Motor DVR, if you want to buy intraday, this is not applicable for intraday. Oh, so anyway, this is where, see, Zerodha doesn't allow a lot of intraday trading to be done, but many other platforms do provide it. And even if you take 1,000 stocks, 1 rupee means 1,000 rupees is done, right? So yeah. So, and then, you know, like I have given other stocks. If you have a look at it, I have given a buy on Dabur, right? Dabur in futures I have given at 521.75. I've given a buy on Tata Motors futures at 184. So just have a look here and you will see how accurate the stocks are, right? The only important criteria you must notice whenever you follow somebody, that the stop loss should not hit, right? So it made a high of 187.9, right? My buying was at 184, right? So from 184, which is somewhere here, to 187.9 with the lot size of 5,700, it's a pretty huge amount of money. It's like 5,000, 20, 23, 24, 25,000 rupees, right? So that was this, and then I have given a buy on Dabur. So have a look at Dabur, how it moved. So I've given somewhere a buy at 521 somewhere here, and from here to here, right, about 7 points with a lot size of 1250 is not a bad idea. You know what is important, you need to have a look at that the stop loss is not hit. You know, whenever you take an entry, your stop loss should not hit. So with this, I'm signing off, hoping to be seeing you at any place. You can be present on my Telegram channel, YouTube, or my Twitter handle, Telegram. You can follow me on TradingView. You can follow me on my website, and slow, I'm giving you another place where you will be able to follow me very soon officially. Just wait for some few more days. So take care, guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with a new video, new stocks, and remain connected. Bye bye.